Okay, back with what? Where's my thing? Hey. Okay, back with another episode of my Minecraft Let's Play series, and my hotkey didn't work or something, so I started building this, but it I don't know, didn't work. So this is pretty much what happened. So I built this. I can go show you the recipes for these things. For the cobblestone wall that's right there, it's just cobblestone, and it's just one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there. And that's what it's gonna be for the. That's what it is for the wall. And then the slabs is gonna be one there, one there, one there for the wood. And that's pretty much what I did for this, and you can pretty much figure out the rest. I just did that, and then this is pretty much the farm so far. So yeah, since that is gone, I'm gonna make the chicken farm this episode. Yay! So since I have so many extra slabs, I might just build with slabs. So like with the wood, I'm probably just gonna build with slabs like this, and then like that. See, and this can make some, or I don't know. Yeah, I have a bunch. Okay. I think this is a little too big. That doesn't matter. And there we go. Put that there. Okay, so that's gonna be the basics for the chicken farm. That's the base. And then the chickens are gonna be down there. Go. Slide this down. Yeah, I'm sorry you had to miss out on the tree farm built thing. I was I didn't know what happened. So let's see. I'll keep mine down. Let's collect all this dirt because we might use it eventually. And wow, we have a lot of room. And what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw some eggs in here, and then I'm also gonna bring some chickens in here from just using some seeds. I think that's what I'm gonna do. See how it goes. And yeah, let's see how many eggs on me. Okay, that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna go get some more. Oh. Eat. And I killed off a lot of oh yeah, I forgot, since you didn't see me build this, I finished the house. I just kept going with the pattern. I put in this birch like arch kind of, and in here is polished andesite. So you pretty much go and you mine that andesite, you put one there, one there, one there, and one there, and you get 4 polished andesite. So I think that's pretty cool. I kind of like that. So that's what I did for that. Why aren't there any mobs out? It's kind of weird. And let's see. I need to get some more eggs. Go. And then I got some seeds. I can put that out. And yeah, and then I'm gonna go round up some chickens and throw them in the hole. Oh, there's one. Chicken going crazy. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chickens. And I don't know why they're all going crazy. I'm gonna go look for some more, and it's nighttime. Shoot. Let's see. Oh, here's an egg. So that means there's a chicken right there, yay. No, 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 don't kill the horse, don't kill the horse. Horse didn't have to do anything. Okay. Come here, chicken. Come on, chicken, chicken, chicken. Yeah, so I killed off a lot of... Shoot. Oh, I got 2. Okay. This is the epic battle everyone's wanted to see. I don't know if, like, zombies have, like, extra eyesight or something. Like, look, that guy sees me from way over there. Which I don't get at all. I'm here to protect you, chickens. I'm gonna have to get you to your little house, so I'm gonna make you. I have some arrows. What am I doing? Oh, threw an egg. Where'd the chickens go? Hey, chickens, come on. Come on, chickens. Got one. Where'd the other guy go? There you are. In the water. Come on. Let's go. Can you come? Are you stuck? Here. Need a way out? Yeah. Come on, chicken. Come on, buddy. There you go. Come on. Hey, chickens, follow my seeds. I have seeds. Follow me. Great creepers coming. Charge! Come on, chickens, faster, faster, faster. You gotta run faster than the creeper. Oh! Ah, no, 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 no. Okay. Creeper death match. I actually don't know. I don't know how this is gonna turn out really. I don't know how this is really gonna turn out, this chicken farm, but I think I'm gonna use regular oak wood and then some stone oh, and what the heck? A robot in the background or something? What's that? And it's gonna be, I don't know. Ooh, maybe it could be granite, because I have a little bit of granite. That'd be kind of cool. Because I like these new stone. Come on, buddy. Come on, it's time for you to go. There you go. Go so far. Do I have a sapling I can throw in there? Yeah. Okay, let's put a sapling in. Here we go. Oh. You know, maybe this design isn't so good because you can like hop up and down kind of weirdly. I don't know. Watch this, I'm gonna make them all go crazy. Dun 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 dun. Hello. Okay, let's see what this kind of looks like. This reminds me of, this looks like graham crackers. That's what this looks like, graham crackers. I know that's a little random, but that's what it looks like. Looks like graham crackers. Ooh. What do we have? Granite. Need some more. See, look, it's just like that in the corner. And then you get full polished granite. So I'm probably, where's the moon? Moon's going down. Okay, I'm gonna probably go head over to the section where I found a lot of granite. And then I'm gonna go mine it all out. There we go. Go. Run! Some granite. You can be attacked. Oh, spider. Don't see me. Don't see me. I found out that it's harder for spiders to detect you in the plains because the grass kind of blocks out their eyesight a little bit, so those spiders didn't see me. I found that out, and I was like at first I was kind of weirded out about it, and I was like, okay, it kind of makes sense. But yeah, I'm just curious why in Minecraft grass is this tall. It's like half my body is up to grass. It's like doesn't make sense. And then like in real life, it's just like a tiny inch. Doesn't even go up like to my shoes. And it's like, and then in Minecraft, it's like, oh, I guess there's not a lawnmower or something. Nobody comes to mow the lawns, no gardeners come. So, yeah. I'm just kind of, I think that's a little weird. But, and then they have grass that's even taller. It's like as tall as I am. I'm just like, it's all just really weird. Let's see. Is two enough? I thought there was a creeper when I walked in. Oh, Skelly, and I see the creepers in there. Oh, is Skelly just your decoy? Still a lot of experience. I think I'm probably going to go mining in the next episode. That's what I'm going to do. And we'll go see if we can get some cores. Maybe get some diamonds. I know we already have some, but to get some more. Maybe build another portal, I don't know. Oh, the sunrise. Not as pretty as sunset, but still pretty good. Let's go see if this guy dropped anything. Quick. There we go. And actually, let's get some more cobblestone, because I'm going to need it for the stone brick. I know, I decided I wasn't doing that. I still have like my mindset of that. I'm just like, gotta get stone brick. Gotta get stone brick. So, yeah, I really think this looks like graham crackers. Tell me, it might just be me, but I think this looks like graham crackers. Okay. And now let's make this as the ground. And then boom. Boom. Let's keep going. Go. So I think this video is gonna be a little short, I think. Cause this one might be around like 10 minutes maybe. Cause it's not much. Really, I'm like one thing short. Maybe I have some in my house still. I still have one thing left. And I think I might have some of the plane. No, I don't. Wait, now I gotta run all the way back there and get some. Wasting my hunger. And I forgot to tell you that. Oh, there's some right here. Nice. Oh, whoa, not nice. Oh, whoa, that got a one-shot kill. Nice. That's nice. Not nice, and then it's nice again. That made no sense, but I like it. One thing I forgot to tell you is that I'm gonna be probably doing like a I told you I'm gonna be doing my server, but then I'm also gonna be doing an LAN world, and I'm probably gonna, well, it's just probably gonna be on this map, and it's gonna be with my brother probably. I know we might do that. It's gonna be. He doesn't have a YouTube channel, but he's gonna get one soon. So I don't know. I think that's gonna be kind of cool. Like, and he's gonna like start doing a YouTube video maybe on this map or something. I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but it's gonna we're gonna do something. I want jump down quick, that's so bad. Now I'm gonna need to go like a ladder down. I don't know if it's gonna, I don't know if ladder's gonna affect anything. If they're gonna be able to go up the ladder. You know, I'm gonna make a bunch of bone meal. Ton of bone meal. I can make the gate. Let's grab that. And I don't know if I remember to tell you, but this is 1.8. I think I told you. So there's a new crafting recipe for a fence. So I can't mess this up. It's like this. Okay, see, I'm only gonna be able to craft so many fence. So that's the recipe. Wait a minute, why did I just craft fence? What am I doing? They're probably yelling at me right now, like, why did I craft fence? I'm probably never gonna need, no, I'm gonna need fence eventually, but maybe just confuse me with the fence gate or something. Great, I'm gonna go cut down some more trees. I remember what I got this bone wool for now. Oh, there we go. Come on. Okay. Not doing on you. Major glitch. Okay. Come on. No. I need this to work. I need this to work. Come on. Okay, let's do these first. Is none of this back row gonna do it other than like the corner? It's never gonna work. Okay. Oh, that looks so cool. That looks so cool. Okay, that's coming with my axe. Chop, chop, chop. Cutting down some trees. Cutting down some trees. Cutting down some trees. That's probably all I need for now. I'm not going to cut down all the trees. I don't need it all. And let's see. Okay, let's make some fence with that. Way too much fence, but we'll do it anyway. Actually, this might be a right amount. Okay. See, I hope they can't somehow climb up this. No. Really? Hey guys, guess what I got? Guess what I got? Oh, seeds. Yum, yum, yum. For you and me. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Okay, and if that goes, it'll be good. Okay, today. Oh, wait, can they climb up it? No, they can't. Let's see, let's actually test this. No, they can't. Okay. Just needed to make sure on that. And you know, I think that's pretty much all I'm going to do for this episode. Thanks for joining me, and watch next time. Sorry about the tree farm, by the way. I'm sorry about that. And yeah, join me next time on my Let's Play video.